is the wonderful 1990 Chevy 454 SS. I'll give it a little goose. I'll give it its Christmas goose early. Hello, everybody.
A little Christmas goose in November.
See that guy on a motorcycle?
That guy was on a moped, yeah. He did look like Joe Biden.
He did.
Oh, listen to that.
Hello, I am Christopher, and the guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake, the Snake. And right, to my immediate right, is the wonderful 1990 Chevy 454 SS. It's a numbers matching car, under 42,000 original miles. Let's see, it's got dual exhaust, it's got 373 gears in the back, it's got the original Bilstein shocks, it's got a brand spanking new bed liner, looks great. Man, is it nice. Got the red interior. It's got everything that the old 1990 454 SS had. Really, really nice truck.
Including a 454.
Including, did I mention it had a 454? I should have, because it's gorgeous. Look at that engine.
Well, it's kind of in the name, so it's
well, it kind of is implied. But it only came black, and with these beautiful, it's that 1500 in red. I think it was a great looking truck. When you saw this, when you pulled up next to it, you knew you were in trouble back in the day. Anyway.
The interior is perfect. Like everything on the inside is in pristine
condition. They must have had seat covers down, because it looks like brand new. It really does. I mean, the buttons are still visible.
And I like the Chevy emblem on the roof. Look on the inside on the bottom.
Oh, how cool. That is neat. Well, that'll be in our B-roll. I love this little truck. It's perfect. And it's fast as lightning. Jake, are we ready to go for a ride in this bad boy?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Are you ready?
I am ready, Freddy. Oh.
Well.
And look what we have. Power windows, and they're tinted.
Oh, nice.
Power tinted windows and power locks.
It's a torquey beast.
I like the digital dashboard.
The green.
And the lights and stuff. The green
That's
digitals.
Green. See, that's what I always thought green looked like.
It's a very 90s GM thing.
Oh,
very 90s thing in general to have a digital dash.
It's oh yes.
Like I said, we have a cassette player right there. All of our radio function controls and HVAC right there.
Oh, digital vents.
All of the cool dials that are like semicircles. All the gauges are very cool and very unique to the 454 SS. And my mic is falling off of my seatbelt.
41,468 miles. We're only going to put on maybe 3 or 4 right now. Wow. I finally got to drive a 1990 454 SS.
This interior is perfect.
I'm really excited.
It's in like mint condition.
Yes, they must have had car seats.
And I don't know if this headliner is like new or if it ever came that way, but it's got the Chevy bow tie on the roof there. Really cool.
Really cool.
How much power does she have?
She's got plenty of beans. I'm gonna wait till she gets a little warmed up, because we're barely at, well, over 100 degrees, but we'll wait.
Yeah,
we'll wait to go crazy.
It's a big 454. You want to make sure it's warm before you start going crazy.
I'll give it a little goose. I'll give it its Christmas goose early. Hello, everybody.
A little Christmas goose in November.
It moves.
It does move.
I have a Malibu behind me. He's right on my butt. What to do, what to do.
I wonder if we'll have enough power to get away from this.
What?
4-cylinder Chevy Malibu? I think we will.
Oh, but this thing, straight and true.
This thing, straight as an arrow. Good brakes?
Let's find out. Scare a little Malibu guy.
Oh,
yeah, it does.
Brakes super straight. Takes off super straight. We got cup holders down here and a very large console to store stuff in.
You see that spray? You did this spray and bed liner. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Oh yeah, the spray and bed liner back here.
Love it.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It's wonderful.
Wonderful.
How about how shiny and wonderful this looks?
Yeah, this black paint is absolutely like a mirror.
They must have kept it inside.
Well, we did a really good detail on it as well.
We did.
Guys over in detail really know what they're doing. And this massive cowl hood is so awesome. It's got to be a 2 or 3 inch cowl, which is great. Let that 454 get some heat out of that engine.
Is it warm in here, or is it me?
Oh, I had the heat on. It is getting very warm.
Very warm.
The heat works very well. It's a cold day, but it doesn't. You don't need to be that hot.
Well, it is a big block.
It is a big block. It does get pretty warm.
Does it ever?
We have a glove box here.
For your gloves.
owner's manual in here and some other
nice.
things and some stickers
Yeah,
to let you know what kind of options this truck has. And I think these are supposed to be more cup holders. Not sure how useful those are going to be.
Well, I mean,
But
if you're not
they're there.
moving, they're fine.
They're there. Oh yeah, if you're stationary,
Oh, look, these cute little things.
go through the drive-thru and you want to eat in your truck, they'll work great.
See that guy on a motorcycle?
That
Look
guy
like
was
Joe
on a
Biden.
moped. Yeah, he did look like Joe Biden.
Did.
Oh,
Hey
man.
guys, look on.
Oh my God! Don't do a Joe Biden impression.
It's easy to do. I'll just. Sorry, people. We don't want to get political. We just want to drive trucks real fast in a straight line, and that's what we're about to do at the old stop sign.
We're at the stop sign, all right. Let's see about these beans.
Wow.
It's all torque.
Wow.
It's all torque.
I can't. Wow. I got up to 60 quick. It doesn't sound like it's going fast.
No, it's actually pretty quiet in here
is.
with the windows up and everything.
Very quiet.
Good sound deadening. If you roll the windows down, you'll definitely be able to hear that 454 rumble.
Oh.
And we'll hear it in the good old-fashioned startup,
Who doesn't love a good old-fashioned startup?
which we're about to do right now.
Excellent.
Isn't that right?
Excellent. Oh, you're darn right it is.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Talk about the. Oh wait, what did you just say?
Look, everybody, the wheel's tilting.
We have a tilt wheel. How do we always forget to mention the tilt wheel?
We should never forget that. It's the best thing about
It's a luxury option.
It is a 1990 luxury option, that's for sure.
All right, time for a good old-fashioned startup. It's a good old-fashioned startup. Oh, listen to that.
Well, it's one for the books. I got to drive a car I've always wanted. Jake, you need to drive it back.
Sounds good to me.
It's fun.